Hi, this is Andy. I would like to introduce our software. You can see now this is our backend. We have a POS. You need to install it in a Windows computer. For the backend, for all of our software, you can install it in a cloud server or in a local server. If you install it in a cloud server, you can visit it using your browser like this. You just enter the address here and you can log in. Now I will show you how what kind of things our software can do. Um, as you can see, this is the dashboard. You can see the general revenue of your venues every day, and you can also choose some time period so that you can check the every the revenue from some specific time. This is the for you to configure your hardware like your card reader, your turnstile, your kiosk, and all kinds of things about the hardware. You can set up like this here. For the member here, you can see you can manage like set up different kinds of member tiers. You can check your member informations, and you can also have the member information like the member tag. You can also send SMS to your customer. For example, you have some promotions, some schemes, some activities. You can send the message to your customer, and lots of things like you can set up some kind of things like based on um, member account, special offer, flash sale, and some discounts. Because different member tiers, they can have different member benefits, so you can set up different activities for them. And in the system, you can also set up different products like the token, the top-up package, the deposit, and also admission ticket like the entry ticket, the time basement ticket, and also set up the merchandise for your customer. And you can also combine different merchandise together like combo a combo package, and all kinds of things. And also you can control your inventory like you set up your warehouse. You can place a purchase order so that the manager can approve it, and when the products arrive your venue, you can also receive them into your warehouse. So you can set up the receive, the issue, the transfer of the stock, and some physical cards in your system. And this is for you to check the reports like your daily shift, the daily closeout. You can see the revenue of your shift, and you can also check the history like you can choose from the first day of the month and then to the last day of the month. You can check the total revenue. You can see the sales amount of each product, and also the member activities here, and all kinds of things you can see. You can get those kinds of reports based on what you need. And we also have many reports here like the sales order, the top up details, and also admission. Like you can check how many time based tickets you sold for each day, and then what about their usage, and how many customers buy them, how many parents, how many kids enter your venues, so you can know the kind of game performance. Here, if you have arcade game machines, you can just know their records. For example, how many tokens the game machine receive, and how many tickets or doors you reward to a customer. Or generally based on what you said last time, you said that you don't have any kinds of redemption or clone machines. Then you just check, for example, how many tokens that each game machine have. And here you can also have some detail settings for the system, like the user, the role-based permissions, like you can set up the permission for each customer, for each employee, like the role, the permissions in the system, and that kind of things. And also you can, if you have the authorization, you can see the record of the authorization. And here you can check, set up something like the database backup, so that the system will automatically back up the data in some time. Now let's move on to the POS. You can see from here, you can sell the products. You can register the membership for your customer, like you can register the customer. You can input their name, the gender, the birthday, the email, all of the things to the car, and you can redeem the gifts for your customer, like the customer, when they have the tickets or have the loyalty points, we can redeem the gifts for your customer. And you can also have different kinds of activities for your customer, like for example on their birthday you can reward them some tickets or some tokens, so that they can keep visiting your venues. And here it is also an online booking. For example, you have a party room, you have different party rooms, so they your customers, they can select the party room, the party package, and then you can book a party for them in the system. Here you can check the member information here, like the values, the balance, the transactions, the play records, the redemption, and also the balance of them. Here you can manually deduct the token or validate the ticket at the counter for your customer. And you can check some details of the transactions here for your customer. And here, if you use tickets, then you can print the ticket, you can see the consumption of tickets. uh, and here it is for your cashier. They, when they close the day, when they are duty off, they can end the shift. Here they can enter the amounts of money that they receive and then submit it to the back end, and the manager can check it at the back end. That's all for some brief introduction of the system. If you have any questions, you can just ask me.